Hi, I'm Natalia with Nature's Ultra. Today we are going to be talking to some people to find out what they know about CBD. CBD has been booming across the US. Most people have heard about CBD, but do they actually know what it is or how it interacts with them? Today we are going to ask some people what they think they know about CBD.
I think so. It's an extract from either marijuana or hemp.
It's the oil from the hemp, without the THC. You take it out of THC or hemp, yeah? Yep.
And it's perfect if you don't have one.
Yeah, it's the oil that comes from cannabis, but not the part that gets you stoned.
I do. Well, I know that it's one of the terpenoids in marijuana, along with THC and a number of others.
One will get you high and one will not. The T part, the triethylamine or fresh. No, I don't know.
THC has the hallucinogenic active terpenoid to alter your mood, and THC, CBD has more medicinal qualities and characteristics. Exactly what they would be.
It doesn't have hallucinogenic properties. You don't get high.
I have, yeah. It was pretty good. Yeah, I feel like it relaxed me a little, but I liked it. Yes. I use it because it helps with muscle tension and because I think CBD is really good for you.
Most people we've interviewed have used CBD or know someone who's used CBD, but generally don't know what CBD is or how it works and interacts with them. Nature's Ultra and I want to clear up some of the confusion right now. CBD stands for cannabidiol. Cannabidiol is one of the primary natural cannabinoids found in the industrial hemp plant. Cannabinoids are chemical compounds that bind the endocannabinoid system, or ECS system, receptors throughout your brain and body. There are over 113 known different cannabinoids found in hemp. Cannabinoid receptors are embedded in cell membranes throughout your body. Researchers have identified two cannabinoid receptors, CB1, predominantly present in the nervous system, connective tissues, gonads, glands, and organs, and CB2, predominantly found in the immune system and its associated structures. In each tissue, the cannabinoid system performs different tasks, but the goal is always the same: homeostasis. Homeostasis, in a general sense, refers to stability or balance in a system. It is the body's attempt to maintain a constant internal environment. Maintaining a stable internal environment requires constant monitoring and adjustments as conditions change. Here's an example. When we become stressed, our mind releases cortisol. Cortisol can be helpful when we need to react quickly to a dangerous situation, fight or flight. It's important to note that while some people confuse CBD with THC, tetrahydrocannabidiol, which is also found in the cannabis plant, the two are different. CBD is not psychoactive and does not cause the euphoric side effects commonly associated with THC. That means you can use CBD products without having to worry about THC causing any sort of reaction. While CBD and THC both bind to the CB2 receptor, they interact with the CB1 receptors in different ways. Because of its molecular structure, THC is able to bind directly with CB1 receptors. When the bond is formed, the reaction creates signals that are sent to the brain, which results in the psychoactive effects of getting high. Research shows that CBD does not bond directly with CB1 receptors, and its presence can even negate the bond between THC and the CB1 receptors, effectively neutralizing the psychoactive effects induced by THC. CBD is considered generally well tolerated with a good safety profile, according to a 2018 World Health Organization report. Companies in the CBD industry often lack quality control and don't know their sources. This is why getting your CBD from a trusted source with high quality control is important. We have one of the best quality control systems in the industry. We'll be covering this topic in more depth later on in CBD 101. Thank you so much for watching CBD 101 Episode 2. As always, please like and subscribe for more Nature's Ultra content. If you'd like to learn more, head over to our website and read our blog section for more information on CBD and Nature's Ultra products. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll see you guys next time.